What's internet to you?
Prepare for launch. 3, 2, 1.
Information flow is what the internet is about. So basically, that's what internet do. It transfers information from one person to the other person. And then when the internet have just started about 40 over years ago, what they do is just basically transfer information from one party to the other party. That's how you do the email and such. So when you are doing this, you do not actually need to go to a third party. Like if you send a mail, you need to go to the post office. But if you send an email, you do not need to go to the post office anymore. All you need to depend on is the protocol. And the other party over the other side of the world will be able to receive your email. Then as the internet getting more popular, we are talking about Internet of Things now. And Internet of Things, it means that like two things, they can talk to each other without the interference of human being. For example, some of the smart home nowadays do have some devices connected to probably their fridge or their carpet. And if the grocery or supply in your home runs low, it will automatically order from the store, automatically pay the store, and the store is going to deliver this to your house. It seems like, something that is way advanced of our time, but actually it's not. Some people are actually using this, and the future that we thought is actually here, but maybe not everybody is experiencing it yet. But this is what Internet of Things is about. Two things will be able to talk to each other, and that is also about information without the interference of a human being. Now here we talk about Internet of Value or Internet of Money. Now long before the blockchain, those cryptographers and those who like to work on peer-to-peer system has been always thinking how to transfer something of a value. Of course, that's money from one person to the other person without going an intermediary. Now, some of you might be thinking, we have been using internet banking. Isn't that also like a way of transferring money? Yes, that's true. But the bank stands in between. So what they want to do is to transfer money from me to you without the bank. And when the internet gets more popular and cheaper and more accessible, blockchain comes into the place where we'll be able to transfer something of a value from one person to the other person without an intermediary, without the bank. So that is the era here we have the Internet of Value. In all this time, since the inception of internet, what we share through the internet is always information. The difference is from who to who, and it always without the intermediary.